Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Cassian Andor from the Andor Finale. Firstly, you'll want the legs from the TIE Pilot. The torso I used came from Peli Motto. The head comes from the Mandalorian. And finally, the hair came from Anakin Skywalker. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Andor was probably my favourite Disney Plus series in terms of quality, so I always enjoy making minifigures from it, and this one is no exception. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, make sure you're subscribed, and I should hopefully see you in the next one.